Hey guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I wanted to go over some key talking points when it comes to the benefits of vapor honing. Firstly, the biggest benefit's going to be a superior surface finish. So it's going to be uniform, it's going to be smooth, and you can really get any sort of surface profile you want, even if you want something that's not smooth, if you're prepping for powder coat or something like that. Going off of the superior surface finish, it's very gentle on sensitive materials. We work a lot with the aerospace industries, other industries that have very tight tolerances, because this machine does not remove that material. It just leaves a smooth finish and removes any sort of debris or burrs. Another benefit of vapor honing is its dust-free operation, which means that you can blast multiple different kinds of metal in this machine. It's not going to spark or cause a fire. You also don't have the risk of catching silicosis. Another benefit is that the media cleans and degreases simultaneously, so you can pair this with a parts washer, or you can just throw the greasy part into your machine and it'll work just fine. The last benefit that I want to talk about is that it saves a lot of money on consumables. You're using water in the machine as a mitigator, so it's very gentle on your consumables, saving you 10 times as much money as if you were to go with a dry blast unit, which essentially eats itself and all of the consumables very quickly. For more information, please visit our website or call our office directly at 828-202-5563.